Hey everyone, it is June 22nd, which makes it National Great Places to Work Certification Day, a day to celebrate all of the great places to work around the country and the world. And I am proud to announce that for the second year in a row, MK Partners has been certified a great place to work. Just a quick recap in case you don't, in case you're not familiar with the process. Great Place to Work is a third-party organization that has a pretty robust survey that they send out to interested companies, to their employees, where employees respond to the survey with their experience working at the organization. And then those results all get tallied up, ranked against the average response, ranked against different results from around the world. And if you make the cut, you are certified a great place to work. It's really heavily focused on benefits, work-life balance, work environment, corporate culture. It's something that we are proud to celebrate at MK Partners, and it's something that makes MK Partners a great place to work. Or I should say, it's not what makes MK Partners a great place to work, but that MK Partners is a great place to work, which helps us qualify, get certified, and then get to celebrate on today. And with that certification comes the goodie box, which I have received here. And that means it's time for another episode of MK Partners. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in that box? What's in that box? Ooh, box. I'm going to spare the camera setups today and just get right into this. So let's go ahead and cut this puppy open and not slice my own nose off, despite my face. This is a tricky guy this year. All right. There it is. We think you're great. Let's see what we have in store this time. Let's celebrate. See if I can pan down a little bit here so you can see we've got some confetti, a congratulations letter, it looks like. Let's give that a read. Congratulations, you did it. You're a great place to work certified. This is a big deal. You've worked hard to create a workplace where every employee has a consistently positive experience. And this box certainly helps. So let's start going through. Looks like we've got a, I remember this from last year. I wasn't totally sure what it was. I think maybe it's a finger puppet, or maybe you put it on a pen. In the cup of pens up at the front of the office, so everyone that walks in knows that you are a great place to work certified. Let's see what else we got here. A confetti popper. We will have to do that at the end of the video to celebrate and not celebrate cleaning up the confetti. We got some stickers for the windows at the office, or since we've been working from home, maybe I'll put one on the front door. Whole bunch of confetti piles. Let me slide back a little bit. Hi. And a bunch of popsicle stick celebrity. We'll call them deals. Let's call these dealies. So let's see what we're working with. These are sort of photo booth inspired, I think. We've got sunglasses, heart eyes. I can't see the camera when I wear them correctly. We're certified. A little more serious. We're certified. A round of applause, some applauding hands. And yeah, your average great place to work certified badge there. All right. Well, let me clear a space, and then we'll go ahead and pop this confetti popper here. Hold the phones. Don't pop that confetti popper just yet. I am back with an update on another day. Don't want to show you my address by accident. But we got a new piece of mail from Great Place to Work, so I figured it should be included in this unboxing video. Let's see what additional goodies or information are headed our way from Great Place to Work. Okay, so just this, and it looks like it's a banner or a necklace, but no, it's a banner. Pennant for hanging in the office, great place to work, certified 2021 USA. Oh, okay, that's where we are. So yeah, I will have to head into the office to get this hung up so that it's waiting to greet everyone when we return eventually. And now we can go ahead and get back to the original video and pop that confetti. And now the moment we've been waiting for, time to pop our great place to work certified 2021 confetti popper. Or it would be. I've been thinking about it. And the thing with confetti is it's messy. And I don't really want to clean confetti out of all of the computers in this room or be picking it out of the carpet for weeks. You might say, go outside and pop it, but that is just littering. That's a lot of little littering all at once, and I don't want to do that either. I think the best thing to do is to wait for an opportunity where the whole office is together again. We can pop this, and then we have lots of hands to help clean up. So whether that be a company picnic, our, inaugural return to the office from being remote, a company meeting, I will save this confetti popper. We will let somebody pop it, and I will be sure to add a bumper to this video that will go right here. Here, I'm so good at pointing. We'll go right here in the future, so you can click and see the video of the confetti being popped. So unfortunately, we will continue to wait for this. The moment you've been waiting for eludes us again. But thank you for watching. I'm going to have quite a bit of fun with these on the coming Zoom calls. Just super proud to be a great place to work again. It's 2 years in a row. Hopefully we can keep this going as long as we're operating. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Great Places to Work, for putting together the survey, putting together the program, and certifying us once again. As always, like and subscribe here. Usually it's more Salesforce news as opposed to MK Partner specific news, but on National Certification Day, we are going to celebrate. Hope you are all having a wonderful week, and we will be back soon. I think the biggest events this week, Trailhead DX is this week, so we'll definitely be producing content on that. We got some content coming up about our favorite features now that the Summer 21 release has dropped. And as always, anytime something new develops in the world of Salesforce, we will be here to inform you, show you how to, and talk you through it. Thanks for watching. Bye.